Hello everyone and dear Aras Melim. Today we are gonna talk about some specification about our project. Our project is Tutor.az and here's our group members Manzar, Qasimzada, Sema, Zeynalova and Fagan, Rasulov. Tutor.az is all about education. Okay, I'm gonna talk about more clear. It's designed to help students and teachers locate the ideal tutor for them, as well as to help tutors, especially for new ones, find students. This project will increase the education level in Azerbaijan and will inspire tutors to be more creative in their learning styles because they don't have any difficulties for finding students. This project, which we are working on with great interest and will change the lives of children, teachers, and parents. So the main goal here is for children and parents to find a comfortable teacher, and for teachers is to find easily a student. Okay, imagine you are seeking for a teacher and don't know where or how to locate one, or if you are a tutor and want to find and manage your students quickly, Tutor.az will be of assistance to you at this time. Okay, without wasting time, you will locate an instructor who suits your needs here. Newcomers were encouraged to join the platform as tutors. This will aid the improvement of our country's educational standards. In there, tutors can create a class, assign students to the class, and so on. Students can schedule as teacher slots, provide a 5-star evaluation for a tutor after taking his or her class. Okay, and search for lessons based on rating, region, budget, or other characteristics. Okay, can book a time slot with an instructor.
Our site is designed to help students and teachers locate the ideal tutor for them, as well as to help tutors find students. Another main feature of the platform is designed to provide this project system to instructors to have many students to handle. This project will increase the education level in Azerbaijan and will inspire tutors to be more creative in their learning styles because they will not have difficulty to find students. Our site will change the lives of children, teachers, and parents. So, the main goal here is for children and parents to find a comfortable teacher and teachers to easily find a student. Also, newcomers will be encouraged to join the platform as tutors. This will aid in the improvement of our country educational standards. Now I want to speak about site structure for users. In order to operate, you must have access to the internet. The user should see a login and The users should see a login registration page when they first access it. There should be two input areas on the login page, email and password. A forgot password form should be included on the login page. The system will lead you to a screen that asks you to reset password or email one-time recovery password in this scenario. The system will behave in accordance with the response given after registration. The activation code will activate the incoming mail, and code will be written and the account will be activated. If the browser closes without activating, the next time you log in, the activation code will be required again. If the new account is not activated, the login will not be allowed. Now I want to give information about third part. The design phase is also the time to begin selecting and acquiring the hardware and software that will be needed for the future system. In many cases, the new system will simply run on the existing equipment in the organization. First of all, I want to define software that will run on each component. This usually starts with the operating systems, for example, Windows, Linux, and includes any special purpose software on the client and server, for example, Postgres. If we want to give information about operating systems, Linux or Windows are suitable for web server, application server, and database server. For special software part, Python and Postgres is best one. In hardware, the most suitable ones are 6-core Xeon in about application server and 1 TB disk drive, RAID, and 8-core Xeon is on database server. That's all for my speech, and now my group mates continue our presentation. Thank you.
Okay, let's talk about our program design. You can see on the screen our data flow diagrams. In the registration process, new users should create a new account. For registration, they need first name, last name, username, phone name, and so on. As a user, they can register as a tutor and student by providing personal contact information and unique logical credential. After registration, account activation is requested by the system to finish registration. Users can log in with email and password. Secondly, Tutor.az users can read and write their comments about courses. As a result of this process, we can get feedback about lessons quality. Also, we can prevent bad cases with validation checks. Students can view the course page for applying classes. If some of them are suitable for students, they can get information about payment. Then students send request to the bank about payment, and of course send an email to the users about registration. View dashboard is the first page which consists of all information about this site. It is available for all users, for students and tutors. There is an edit profile button, which is for changing passwords, updating accounts, and profile pictures. Course dashboard is a tool for upgrading courses, creates new lessons for their students. Also, this tool is for instructors and they can add or change their students' timetable. If instructors want to check their request list and choose some of them, they can add or decline their requests and can switch students to different sections. After adding or declining students, they can get information mailed from the system. Finally, this subscription part is available for students and instructors. In this section, they can get information about premium upgrade requests, payment info, and transaction confirmation. Okay, if users don't upgrade their payment, the system stops their work automatically, and Fagan will continue.
When user open our website, user needs to register or log into the account in order to use the functionalities of our website. And if user have already account, can log into the just previous created account. If user forgot the password, he or she can reset password by clicking forgot password and entering the mail. And let's assume we don't have account and we click to the register button by entering all the information as you see in the screen. And the system will send 6-digit code to our mail, and we will enter the code here, and we'll click the finish button in order to finish the registration. And now it will take us to the main page of the application. In the main page, we have search tutor, search bar, course dashboard, and dashboard buttons. Course dashboard will be visible if the user type is tutor. The categories are listed here. Also, there are famous courses here. Let's think we are a student and we will apply to the course. Let's click to the one of the courses here. It will take us the course detail page, and you see here all the information about course, the course picture, title, date, language, price, and rating of the course. And even here, there will be all the information about the tutor of the course. And let's click to the apply button. It will ask for the sections. And here, student choose one of the section. Let's say we choose Tuesday and Sunday section and send apply request. As you know from previous documents, and we have a 1 month payment request for a student, and student will fill all the payment information here and will click the process payment button. It will take student to the main page, and the request is sent to the tutor. Tutor will accept or decline the request of student. Let's go to the dashboard. In dashboard, there is an update account part, which users can update their picture, first name, last name, etc. Can also change their password. Both type of user can also click the My Calendar in order to see all the events of the user related to their courses. My subscribed courses is open to only students, and here student will see all the subscribed courses previously. Let's click one of them, and student will see common information about course, and here we'll see announcement of the courses which were announced by the tutor of course. Calendar, in the calendar we'll see all the events of the course. In the attendance part, we'll see the attendance of the current logged user. For example, in 14 September, there is an absent mark, and etc. Student can also rate this course by choosing stars and giving feedback to the course by clicking submit feedback button. And there is one more button here, which is upgrade subscription, will be open to the only tutors. Tutors are subscribed to the standard subscription by default, which is free, but they can also upgrade their account to the premium one by getting more functionalities by giving just 30 minutes monthly. And here it will ask for the billing information as it asked in the student request. Let's click to the process payment. And again, it will take us to the main page, and the tutor account will be upgraded from standard to premium. Let's assume we are a tutor, and we will go to the course dashboard. In the course dashboard, we see all the common information about courses. There are active courses, student request list, and some statistics about the course. In the courses tab, there is 3 types of courses. Open courses. Open courses are the courses which are searching for a student. When student apply to the course, tutor will see all the request list in this table and will accept or decline them. In the courses, there is one more tab, which is active courses. Active courses means the course is already in the learning process. Like the tutor can see all the information of the specific section of the course. For example, in Monday, Wednesday section, we have following students, we have following announcements. We can also create a new announcement and send it to the students. And in the courses tab, there is one more tab, which is draft courses. And when we create course, it will be listed here. Let's create new course. Course name, category, and subcategory is required when we create course. Let's click it. And now our course will be listed in draft courses. Let's create one of this, and we will update all the information about course. Title, category, and date, start date, etc. And here we can create section for the course. For example, we will choose weekdays, Monday and Wednesday, and we'll choose time for all the sections that is chosen, all the weekdays. And let's click update course button, and the system will ask for the location of the course. If it's online, the course will be activated. If it's offline, the system will ask for the address of the course. Let's activate the course. When we activate the course will switch from draft stats to open stats. It means the course is searching a student. That's all about our interface. These are tables that we used in our system, and we have three authentication related tables, which are activation code, sessions, and users. Users store all the information about users. It doesn't matter user type is tutor or student. We have three tables, which are bank transactions and billing information, which is related to payment process. And there are lots of tables related to courses, which are categories, subcategories, announcement, which includes announcement files, sections, which includes section details. For example, we have section which includes Monday and Wednesday section details, let's say. And each course has a location also. And we have three tables, which are certificates, jobs, and educations, which are somehow account information of the instructors. It comes to subscriptions, and it stored all the criteria of subscription which will be subscribed by instructors. And comes to students. Students is related to most commonly two tables, which are ratings and taken courses. Ratings shows student ratings on the course, and taking courses shows stats of student in any specific course, which can be enrolled or applied, declined, etc.